This car has really been abandoned for 30 years, and I'll do everything I can to get it running today.
Hey everyone, it's Vyacheslav Ismailov, also known as Via, with Seryoja.
Hi guys.
And look what I found on my Telegram channel, which my subscribers follow. Here's a message from a subscriber. Let's hear it.
Via, hi. My grandfather abandoned an American rarity in the forest many years ago.
Listen
Oh, please find it, please.
He's already sent me the coordinates. So today we're going on a hunt for this American rarity. We're already here with our gear ready, and now we're heading into the forest to look for this exact car. Well, let's go explore. I feel like everything will be smooth sailing.
What's the problem?
Everything's fine. That's it. We're sailing no further.
So what do we do?
It's no big deal. We'll go on foot from here.
What do you mean on foot? Let's get it out.
How am I supposed to do that? We need to find an American vintage car.
What American car are you talking about? Did you hear this, kid? There's nothing there, I'm sure. Let's get this one out.
We won't get it out. Let's go. We don't have time for this. Let's go. Damn, it's pretty deep. Okay, it's fine. Seryoja, I'll climb over now. Can you get out there?
Yeah, I'm wearing boots.
Wait, Seryoja, hold up. Give me a piggyback, please.
To make it harder?
Please, I'm in sneakers. No way that'll work.
There we go.
Let's go. Where are we headed?
Where? To the right? There's dry ground? Over there. Go toward the cameraman. It's dry there. Come on, head to the cameraman.
I really can't. Seriously.
It's all right. We did great. Nice job. Yep, we were headed the right way. Over there.
Come on.
Where else? After the American Classic.
Wait, seriously? I thought we were joking. You really believe that school kid?
Absolutely. I'm sure there's a car at those coordinates. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. There it is, right here. Yep, straight ahead through the woods. The weather really sucks. It's hard to move. The things you do for your subscribers. Guys, if you love videos about cars, coordinate hunts, or auction buys, don't forget to hit like. And once we get 15,000 likes, we'll drop another similar car video.
If this video even comes out, and if we find anything. So is it much farther or what? Damn these branches.
There it is.
That damn American Classic. I can't believe my own eyes. Seriously?
Whoa, amazing. The kid was telling the truth. It's been sitting here for like 1,000,000 years. Just look at it.
I don't even know what car this is. Check it out.
Seriously, straight out of American movies. What a tremendous find.
It's in rough shape, honestly.
Look at the wheels. The tires are completely flat, totally dead. Whoa, that is a serious layer of dirt. We need to bring water.
Why bring water?
To wash the windows and drive.
You're planning to drive it?
Why not?
We'll have to yank it out. It won't drive on its own, right, Vaya?
We'll do it all. No problem. It's just locked. But it's got an old style lock. That's no problem for me. Most importantly, we actually found it. Now it's just the small stuff. Pull it out and do a light revive. Then we can get it rolling. Amazing. An abandoned car.
To yank it out, we've got to...
Head back to the Pathfinder. Let's go, let's go. Almost. Yeah, just like that.
I'll sit on that side, yeah?
No, I've got a plan. We almost moved. Go on. Just push. We'll pop right out. Come on.
Sure?
Yeah, it'll work. Just push, Seryoja, push! Push! Push!
Good job.
Come on! Nice work, Seryoja. Well done.
You saw that, right?
Oh, Seryoja, what's happened? Everything was fine. How'd you even do that?
Why'd you floor it, you nitwit?
So I wouldn't get stuck. I thought we were about to get stuck, damn it.
Well, I'm not going anywhere with you, forget it.
Come on, we've got to pull out the American Classic. Did you forget?
All right, let's go after that classic.
No, wait, bro, wait. Hold on, please. Don't step into the cabin. Stand on the side sill.
Like this?
Yeah, hold on tight, okay?
All right.
Let's go, otherwise you'll dirty the cabin. That would be a mess.
Oh, come on! We've smudged the other side, too.
Here's the plan. We'll hook the strap to that car, yank it out, and then work on it on solid ground so we don't suffer in this forest.
Well, trees bumps. None of that scares you, right? How are you planning to pull it?
I'll hook onto the radiator support and tug it.
What if it's rotten? You'll rip it right off.
I won't rip anything. I'm a professional. You just don't believe me. I've found a ton of these cars already. People who watch me know it. And for that, for knowing I'll do this carefully, drop a like. Come on, Seryoja, you'll steer. It's all good. Hop in.
Gotta open it up.
We'll do just that. Here, that'll do the trick. Do not attempt to recreate what you see here. It's unsafe. This is fiction and staging. Here we go. Whoa, awesome. Look at this, guys. It's basically like a Russian Zhiguli, but American, and with a luxury interior. Unreal! Look, leather and whatnot here. Velour there. They used to make cars, huh? And look, so this is a Ford, right? Look, it says Ford on the steering wheel. Maybe it's an ancient Ford Mustang? Guys, drop a comment. What make is this? What model? We have no idea. All right, enough chit-chat. Seryoza, hop in. Put it in neutral. Okay, steer it along.
I can't see anything, nothing.
That's fine, not a problem. All good, should be enough.
But this is cool, Ford. I like Ford.
All right, forward.
Ooh, let's roll. Man, I'm really driving. Feels like a tank. I see a tree in front of me.
Oh, geez.
Why stop? Go, go, go.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I can't see a thing. Literally nothing.
Oh, it's moving, it's moving. All right, perfect, we did it. Awesome.
Looks like we've arrived. What's so awesome, Via? I knocked down a tree because of you.
No biggie. You'll pay the fine later. Done. Let's get down to the car. We need to start it. Oh! That's really bad. Look how rusty it is, my gosh. Look, everything's covered in cobwebs. This is nuts. Yeah, that's a problem. Oh, wait, look, it's clean. The air filter did its job. This is probably the washer fluid. Anyway, here are our terminals. All happily covered in cobwebs here, too. All the wires are in cobwebs as well. Two things, fuel and a battery. I've got both. Let's get this cracking. All right, need to find the keys. It's an American car after all. So it should. All's where it belongs. Oh, look, guys, everything powered up. Awesome. All right, let's test. No luck. You clipped the terminals wrong. Come on, attach them properly.
I did attach them properly.
Damn, I'll fix it. This is the problem. See, the wire is loose. It doesn't hold at all. Trying again. Oh, it worked. Hooray! Yes, it stalled. Here we go. America.
America. Filthy America.
At least it starts, look. Whoa!
And what drive is it, rear?
Rear, of course. It's an American classic, but we're moving and that's awesome.
Come on, shift to second.
Okay. We're going sideways, drifting. Oh, nice.
Not bad, so are we basically a third of the car?
Pretty much. Main thing is not to get stuck now. We've been getting stuck every 2 meters. Let's finish up. Hook to the Pathfinder and roll. Which way, left or right? Stalled. Damn, we decided to hit the gas station and we fueled up already. So what do we do with all this? A pressure washer will take this off easily. We've got gas.
We've got clean plates.
Heading to the car wash. Where are the cup holders in America? Hey! I think we can drive pretty confidently now. Yeah, headlights work. Plates are on. Papers should be in the glove box.
All right, third gear, let's go.
Third? You sure?
Positive, and the transmission is so smooth, nice.
America!
American quality, I can't see anything at all.
Honestly, what a suspension.
Yeah, it's kind of sick.
Back up a bit. We've barely managed to clean it up.
What about me? Do I get washed? Step back.
Good. All right, I think you're clean now. Let's roll out of here, come on.
The main thing is the car's clean, just the interior.
The interior's still trashed though.
What is it? I think the car won't start.
What an amazing car.
Now that it's clean and you can see out, you look pretty solid in a car like this.
An American car feels completely different already. I mean, in a car like this, you drive in a totally different way.
Not some filthy old jalopy, but a real classic American automobile. We're heading back to the base now.
We'll take a proper look at what this car is. It's clearly not a Ford Mustang. Probably more business class.
Honestly, I've got no clue what model or year it is.
Our subscribers will help with that, I'm sure. I read all the comments myself. I even like some of them. If you're still watching, be sure to scroll down to the comments. Like first, and then leave your comment.
A truck! I want to rip it.
We'll rip it at the base. It's rear-wheel drive, so we can drift it.
The sequel depends only on you. Be sure to like this video, leave your comments and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss our future videos. Bye, bye, bye.